This blog is sponsored by Banggood. Hello guys, ito ulit si Jean. Welcome sa 11.9 Workshop. So today, project video tayo guys, no? Kasi, ito yung tool wall ko. Ilang beses na nakita to guys na ginawa meron akong project video sa paggawa niyang aking French cleat na tool wall. Pero ito, kailangan na itong ayusin ngayon guys. Kasi talagang, ayan, nakita niyo naman ang gulo-gulo. Marami na ako kasi natanggap na tools mula sa Banggood at kailangan na nila ma-organize, no? And you can see na talagang tambak lang dyan yung mga tools ko. So, kailangan ko na talaga siyang ayusin today. Okay. So, plano ko, guys, kalasin lahat yan. Palitan na mga naulit ng French cleat system. Yan. Para maging mas organized lahat, no? At mas madali ko siyang malipat pag gusto ko, no, guys. And actually, bala ko talaga silang ilipat. Yung mga hand tools dito na hindi ganong ginagamit, i-move ko banda dito sa lalagyan ng mga tools na to. And then yung mga power tools na ilalagay ko yung iba doon para mas madali ko silang maabot since yung aking workbench ay ganyan na yung forma niya, no, guys. So, yeah, start natin yan. And ang start ko muna is magka-cut muna ako ng mga cleats. And of course, dyan gagamitin ko ay yung aking mga palutsina na nandito. Okay, guys? So, let's go. So guys, kinakabit ko na dito yung cleats and ang ginagamit ko sa kanya is yung mga brushless na impact drill mula sa Banggood guys, yung Viola Works natin. Tapos guys, para ikabit yung cleat, gumamit lang ako ng Tox at 2-inch na black screws. And then para ikabit siya, ginamit ko naman yung Drillpro impact driver. Interesado kayo sa Drillpro impact driver, nasa baba yung link at yung promo code para ma-order niyan sa Banggood.
And 15 counts of sexual assault. He says police have the wrong man. The jury will ultimately decide. But before that jury is chosen, it must go through these 36 pages. It's the state of Arizona versus Mark Godot jury questionnaire with 152 questions. Some are pretty basic, such as, have you heard or seen anything regarding this case? And do you know anyone who had any involvement in this case? It also asks about the media coverage of the Baseline Killer case, how long they've lived in Maricopa County, and if they have any opinions about this investigation. Then other questions, such as, have you ever read about molecular biology? Would you describe yourself as a leader or follower? Have you ever heard or seen anything about DNA or DNA analysis? Attorneys for both sides will now go through the answers and determine who they want to keep for the trial.
They got his DNA, trophies from victims. They had Tina Washington's ring found in his home, a bullet found at first.
You wrote the address at the time that Rebecca or Becky, I think most people know.
Becky,
Yeah, Becky.
or bags.
Yeah, okay. Do you know it's Becky or Bex?
Usually call her baggers.
Okay.
I didn't know she was so I wanted to know.
Is there anything that happened that could be significant in the disappearance of the vaccine? Are you absolutely sure?
So anyway, the judge called it a mistrial. Sydney would also continue to spout shite on Facebook. In July 2017, an obstruction of justice trial against Moores began.
So guys, ito muna yung nagawa ko ngayon. Ayan, so yung mga manual hand tools ko nandito na sa kabila. And yung mga cordless power tools, usually galing sa Banggood, is nandito na lahat. So nandiyan yung mga drills, impact driver, impact wrench, no? Pati yung mga batteries, charger, yung yung reciprocating sa nasa taas. Andito yung aking cordless router. Ayan, at yung accessories niya. Tapos nandito rin yung cordless na random orbit sander. Ayan, nandiyan yung mga sandpapers. Na inayos ko na lahat. So, iba-ibang grit yan. 60, 80, 100, 240. At yung mga gamit ng sandpaper na sa taas. Andito rin yung jigsaw. So, ito yung cordless jigsaw ko. Dito sa ilalim, pwede kong maglagay ng mga blade. No? Yung mga reservang blade. At nga sa taas yung dalawang cordless grinders. At yung kailang mga accessories nandyan. Nandito naman yung mga clamps. No? So, may bakante pa rito guys. Malaki pa yung bakante. I think pag may mga dumating pa na ibang tool sa Banggood, at least may mga space pa. Ayusin ko na lang. Yan ang maganda sa French Cleat guys. Kung gusto nyo baguhin yung style, maguhin nyo yung ayos, you can do it anytime. It's very, very modular, no guys? So, yan lang muna today guys. See you next time na lang. And thank you for watching. This is G from 11.9 Workshop. I'll see you guys again next time. Adios!